Woody Luke with Dauer Manufacturing here to talk about our brand new transformer. We call this the Jarvis. This is our 300 watt, 3-zone Wi-Fi controlled with a smart app transformer. We would like to show you how to link up the transformer to your home and the Wi-Fi router. So the first thing we want to do is plug it in, hold the button down so that you get a blue blinking light. Once that's done and you've downloaded the Smart Life app, you will hit Add Device. And as you add the device, you will see that you will come to a section here where you will choose Power Strip Wi-Fi. And once you hit that, you'll notice that it's going to ask about the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi connection because you do not want to use 5.0. Then you will put in your password and you will put in your, your Wi-Fi link, and then you'll put in your password, and then you'll hit next, and then you'll hit next, and you'll see that it's blinking, next, and then you will go ahead and download your app. So now, as you can see, we've connected the Dauer Manufacturing home. We're done with that, and we are now on our control panel. So once you connect your device, you will have the control panel come up on your phone. Here you see the 3 zones and the 3 buttons. We've set up 3 fixtures to simulate those zones. So zone 1, zone 2, and zone 3. As an example, we could say that zone 1 is your front yard, we could say that zone 2 is your backyard, and we can say that zone 3 is maybe your kitchen, outdoor area, bistro strings, or any other area that you would like to control on a schedule or just by hitting the buttons and turning them off. So what's great about this transformer is that we have a 300 watt, 15 volt tap. All of these zones do not have to have 100 watts on them. You can actually divide up your load any way you want to. So if your front yard takes 50 watts, your backyard takes 100, your side yard or your 3rd zone takes 25, that's okay. You do not have to worry about evening out any of these zones. So again, you can use any wattage on any zone that you want. You can see here channel 1, channel 2, and channel 3. And again, you can turn them all on if you want to on the control app. You can go into the schedule right there. Let me do that one more time for you. Right next to each zone, you'll see like a little clock. So you can set that zone up right here. And let's just say zone 1 is the front yard. You want it on sunrise to sunset. You set your scene, you're good. However, if you want them to go off at 10 o'clock, you can hit the schedule. Of course, you're going to want to choose every single day. You don't have to. If for some reason you want to choose certain days, you can. And we want them to go off, like we said, we'll say 10 o'clock at night. There we go. So we hit the on button, but we're going to change this to off. We're going to confirm that, and then we're going to hit save. So as you can see, at 10 o'clock, these lights will go off. All right? You can also turn off that schedule by sliding that button. So if you want to make it active or inactive, you can do that. When scheduling the Jarvis, many of us want to have our lights come on when the sun goes down. So in order to do that, you have to create a scene. Because the Jarvis is linked to your Wi-Fi router, it automatically knows where you live and knows when the sun goes down and when the sun goes up. So we want to create that scene because we definitely want our lights to come on when the sun goes down. So we're going to tap Create a Scene. We're going to hit When the Weather Changes. We're going to hit Sunrise and Sunset. And we're going to choose Sunset because we know we want the lights to come on when the sun goes down. So the word sunset will come up. We will hit Save, and then we will hit Next. And now that we have chosen sunset, we will hit a task. We will control the device, and the device happens to be our Dauer Manufacturing transformer. Switch number 1, we'd like for it to come on. Save. Switch number 2, we'd like for it to come on. We hit Save. Switch number 3, we'd like for it to come on. We hit Save. Then we hit Next. And then you will see that when the sun goes down at sunset, you will have all 3 zones come on. Once you verify that, you hit save. We will name the scene sunset. Of course, you can name it whatever you'd like. We'll confirm that. It asks me if I want to start using what I created. I'm going to say yes, and it is now saved. So all 3 zones will now come on when the sun goes down. From there, I can go back to my control panel. Now I can modify when they go off. So this is where you set, hey, I want the front yard to stay on until 10 o'clock. You can put 10 o'clock. I want the backyard to go off at midnight. You can set that right there. And now that we have all 3 on, let me show you another great feature. You can hit this lightning bolt right here, and this right here will tell you your voltage that's coming into your transformer, which is good to know. And then you will also know how many milliamps that you're burning and your power consumption, all on this app. At the same time, once you have the app set up, you're going to want to share it with family, maybe friends, maybe somebody's using your home for the weekend, maybe you rent your home. You can share this app by going right here, and it says share device. So you can hit the share device button. Now the key to this is that the person that you're going to send the program to must have the Smart Life app on their phone. Once they have the Smart Life app on their phone, you can text them or email them. It will send them an invite to open up their app and accept the program. Now they can control the lights on your home, all right? And at any time, they can remove that device off of their phone. So now you have a way to control your lights, schedule them the way you want to schedule them. You can share the app with your family and friends and the contractor. So if you have a problem, you can share the app with the contractor. He can take a look at it from his home, maybe save you a service charge and let you know what's going on with your system. Another great thing about the Jarvis is that if you have Alexa or the Google Home Assistant at your house, you're able to push this button and it will automatically activate to that program. That means you'll be able to walk through your home and go, hey Alexa, turn on my backyard. And you can do that. Hey Google, turn on my front yard. You can do that. So it's a very, very simple app made by Smart Life where you can actually link these to your home automation devices and of course control all of these lights with the touch of a finger. So this is the new Jarvis 300-watt Wi-Fi transformer. Detailed instructions do come in the box. We also have a video at DauerManufacturing.com if you need any assistance. And of course, you can call us at any time if you need personal service.